Hey guys, welcome to my channel Linux King. My name is Salman Francis, and today I'm back with another video, and you can consider it part 2 of our first video of our ethical hacking series. And today we will be installing damn vulnerable web application, because this will be our part of our lab in our upcoming videos. So that's why I thought that it's good that we install it in our second video. So for this purpose, I have already created one virtual machine, and it's CentOS based. So guys, most of my videos are CentOS based or Red Hat based, so I'm not going to use Debian or Ubuntu. So here is my CentOS 8 machine. You can check it with uname, sorry about that, cat OS release, and you can see that it's CentOS 8. Okay, what I'm going to do is, and the host name is dvwa.example.com, and the IP address is 192.168.1.200. So this is my machine, and to install damn vulnerable web application, we need to download it first. So we can go to this page dvwa.co.uk, and from here click on download. Instead of clicking it, you can right click and copy link address, and then go to www HTML, and over here wget the package. Okay, make sure you also have unzip package. If you don't have, you can also always install it with yum -y install unzip, but I already have it, and now I'm going to unzip it. To unzip it, use unzip master.zip. okay, remove master.zip, and then we are left with DVWA master, so I'm going to rename it to DVWA. That's it. Okay, second thing I'm going to do is, the second step is, I'm going to change the ownership of HTML chown-r and give it to Apache and everything under it. Okay, once this is done, I need to install Apache. Then I would need to install MariaDB. Okay, once this is installed, we need to install some more packages. So let's go to wiki and click on DVWA. Then scroll down until you find the packages. And here are the packages. So we have already installed Apache, MariaDB, and we need PHP, PHP-MySQL, PHP-GD. Okay, that's it. We are not going to use this libapache 2 because we are not using Debian based systems. So yum -y install PHP, PHP-MySQLi, PHP.GD. Okay, perfect. Now once we have all the required packages, what we are going to do is we will go into our DVWA directory, and over here into config directory, we need to copy this config.ini.php.dist to config.ini.php. Go into this and make sure you note the details that the server is localhost, user database is DVWA, user is DVWA, and password is p@sswo0rd. Okay, just make a note of this, and we need to give reCAPTCHA values here as well, but from this link, and we will do it later. But first need to create some database. To do that, make sure that Apache is running and MariaDB is running. If it's not, just restart the system. And then once this is restarted, we will use MySQL secure install. Press enter. Okay, it's using password, so okay. New password is simple. Remove anonymous. Yes, and reload the table. Privileges of the table. Once this is done, we need to create some users. So to do that, I'll go to mysql-u user root, and that password I'll be using, which I just set. Okay, and what things I need to run are like these. So create database, and you can see it's telling me can't create database because it already exists, because I just created these database, sorry, and then create user DVWA, press enter. Then once this is done, you will be granting all the privileges to DVWA and then flushing the privileges. Okay, now once this is done, quit, and we are done with the database. And if all goes well, we can visit our site and it should work. I think, let me cognito it, because I think it's getting all the information from my earlier experiment. Okay, here it is. Now user is admin, password is password, and it's simple password actually, not with that dash. So reCAPTCHA is missing, you can see that. And also we need to make sure that these things are turned on. So let's go to php.ini, vim etc php and php.ini, and allow url_fopen is on and include is on. Okay, this is good. What's next? Okay, now what we need to do is we need to go into config.inc.php, go to this link and create some CAPTCHA. I have already created that, and copy site, this is going to be public and secret is the private. So go to this section. For public, you are just going to paste it, Ctrl+Shift+V, and for private, we will be pasting it here. Write and quit, systemctl restart httpd, systemctl restart MariaDB. Okay, if all goes well, we will be having our vulnerable website working. Okay, perfect. So you can see now reCAPTCHA key is also in green, and now I'm going to click on create reset database, and you can see that database has been created, everything is good. Now we will log in with same admin and password is password, and perfect. There we have it, everything is set. So this is how you can install damn vulnerable web application on CentOS 8, and it was very simple. So guys, I'll see you in our next video. Until that time, stay safe and be blessed. Goodbye.